Engage view conversions here. This is one of my favorites, Claris, for sure. There's a power to YouTube. When you watch a video and then you go on to organic and do a search, before you couldn't get a conversion out of the video, or the video didn't convert, or didn't help. But engage view conversions validates your video marketing. And now, what is an engage view conversion? It's when someone watches a YouTube video for at least 10 seconds and then converts on your website within 3 days of viewing that video, you'll actually get an engage view conversion on the video, which would validate your video marketing. One thing, and I'm really excited about that one, and I highly suggest you turn it on. And of course, in order to turn it on, you have to link your Google Ads account, and then you have to activate Google Signals, what I had mentioned earlier, in order for this to start working. But by all means, now I believe more than ever before, with the proliferation of video, YouTube will become even more sort of beneficial, and you'll see the real power of it.
For sure.